Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ALCATEL 1T10 Smart 2020 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Nextly, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom of the left on your ALCATEL and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to ALCATEL. You can finally access all of those categories at the top, and from them pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the chosen ones. Whatever you do when you finished, click on Send next to Selected located at the bottom. Then click Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to connect, thanks to this key though, tap on Input key section and type in wherever you wish to. Then hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!